They told you publishing books was complicated. Hire a writer, find a designer, pay an illustrator, learn formatting, spend months, maybe never finish. Wrong. The smartest publishers today aren't working harder, they're working smarter. AI Book Agents brings 10 specialized AI agents together to write, illustrate, design, and prepare professional books from just one idea. Whether you're building an Amazon KDP business, creating lead magnets, serving clients, or launching your own digital publishing brand, this is the kind of advantage that changes everything. Stop waiting for the perfect time. Start creating assets that can work for you long after you've finished making them. To learn everything about AI Book Agents, visit theproductoasis.com and search for AI Book Agents, or simply follow the link in the description below this video. And don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who could benefit, and subscribe to the channel for more honest AI software reviews, demos, and digital business strategies.